all. Today we are gathered to celebrate World Conservation Day, a day that reminds us to protect and preserve our natural environment. Every year on July 28, the world comes together to raise awareness about conserving natural resources, air, water, soil, wildlife and forests for a better and sustainable future. Let's begin this meaningful day with a thought-provoking quote. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. Conservation is not a choice anymore. It's our responsibility. Let us not forget, nature gives us everything. Food to eat, water to drink, and air to breathe, and beauty to admire. But today, it needs our help. So let's promise, not just today, but every day, to conserve, protect and respect our earth. Happy World Nature Conservation Day to everyone. Now let's see how our students segregate the waste.
Dry waste. These are dry waste. Paper, cardboard and plastic wrappers. It can be recycled into new things, but please do not throw it with banana peels.
Wet waste. These are all the wet waste. Moist and messy leftover foods like vegetable peels, tea leaves all go into this. If you separate this, they will compost and healthy food for plants.
E-wastes. These are all e-wastes. Old phones, wires, broken gadgets and the batteries. It is not meant for regular bins. Take it to a proper e-waste center or recycling kiosk. It can be dangerous if mixed with other wastes. Be cautious in disposing wastes. Sanitary waste. These are the sanitary waste are used tissues, bandages, diapers and masks. They are personal and sensitive. It should be wrapped properly and marked before disposal. Let's respect hygiene and safety.